Let's take a look at these examples. All right, this is order of operations. Was I covering the mic? Whatever, continue. So, evaluate the following expressions. Well, first of all, in these problems, when we have division like this, there's like parentheses in the top and in the bottom. So we have to do the parentheses first, following PEMDAS, parentheses first. This is a special case. If you have division like this, then you have to put parentheses in there. Okay, so first then, what is 5 minus 8? Well, that's negative 3. And then we have negative 18 on the top. There's nothing to do inside the top parentheses, so we can just leave them. And now we do the division. Negative 18 divided by negative 3 is positive 6. There we go. All right. Moving on. Evaluate the following expression. Same thing. Oh, remember, when you don't have anything there, it's just like having a 1. However, we do have to follow PEMDAS, and PEMDAS says parentheses first. So that means I'm going to do the inside there. This would be negative 10 minus 1 times what? Negative 5 plus 1? What is that? That's negative 4. And then squared, right? Parentheses, then exponents. So I got to do the exponents first. So I have negative 4 squared is positive 16, but then I still have times the 1. And then negative 10 out there. So negative 10 minus 1 times 16, or that would be negative 16. They're both the same sign, so I add and keep the sign. So that would be negative 26. Okay, easy. Easy so far. You just got to make sure you're following PEMDAS. Parentheses first. There's nothing really to do inside these parentheses. So, okay, what's next? Exponents. We don't have any exponents. Multiplication and division. I have multiplication here. I have multiplication here, but I also have division there. And I can do these all at once. I'm just going to do it from the left to right. So, what is negative 6 times negative 5? That would be positive 30. And then I have, well, let's see what that part is. Well, I'll do this division then. So I'll still have negative 5 times, I don't like doing that, times, well, negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. And then I'll do this multiplication. So 30, and then it'll be, what, negative 20, yeah? And so I get positive 10 is my answer. Positive 10, okay. Evaluate the following expression. Ooh, this one looks fun. Parentheses first. So, I guess I'll do that, right? So I have parentheses 5 plus, and then inside these parentheses I have multiplication. So I got to do the multiplication first before the addition. So I'll have that negative 5 there. 10 times 5 is 50. And it's positive. And then we have times the negative 2. It looks like. Oh, we got to close that parentheses, right? This parenthesis closes there. And times the negative 2. Okay. And then I'll start all over. Well, there are still parentheses that I can do. So that would be 45. Right? Negative 5 plus 50 is 45. And I still have these parentheses, plus 5, and times the negative 2. Okay, again, parentheses first. Ooh, there's the next problem. This would be 50 times negative 2, and that is negative 100, my friend. Okay. Evaluate the following expression. Parentheses first. 20 divided by negative 10 is negative 2. So 6 plus a negative 2, or 6 minus 2, same thing. That would be 4. Isn't that neato? Isn't that neato? And that takes care of the PEMDAS stuff. So, there you go. There you go, kids. Let's see the other part of this. Which expressions are equivalent? There could be more than one answer. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to distribute, and I'm going to try and simplify each of these. It looks like in the first one, I can't do anything. In the second one, I can do stuff, but let's see. So when I have a number out front, and there are no exponents, then I can distribute. So what do I have? 8f plus 4g. These are not like terms, so that's it. Here I have 8f plus 2g, so that's not the same. And this one I can distribute. What would that be? That would be 8f plus 4, but then I have an f and a g. F, g. Also not the same, so the answer is none of these. Check. None of those. What about this? Okay. Again, I'm going to simplify this. Whoops. I'm going to simplify this and try and simplify those if I can, and we'll see what happens. Here I have like terms. Remember, when there's nothing in front, you can put a 1. So that's 2j plus 2k. So that's what I'm looking for. That's definitely not the same thing. What about this? Well, if I do PEMDAS, I can do parentheses first. So that'll be 2 times 2j plus k, right? Because those are like terms. And now I can distribute. 2 times 2 is 4j, and plus 2k. Is it the same as that? No, they're not. So this one is also not it, and again, none of these. Okay. Let's try this one. Hopefully it'll be something better. So, I will distribute. 2, that would be 2b plus 6c. Yeah? Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. What about this? 3b plus 6c. Hey, that works. That's good. What about this one, though? Oh, remember when you have nothing in front, it's like a 1. So if I distribute, I get b, or 1b plus 3c. Right? And then distribute that one, and I get 1b plus 3c again. And I'll combine like terms. Right? 1b, that's 2b. And then 6c plus 6c. Oh, this one also works. So you got to be careful. So both of those answers work. So make sure you're checking everything, all right? And I think that's all we need to do. Yeah, I think so.